So I feel very privileged to be given this opportunity to work with members and the administration, and indeed all those stakeholders who are interested in the growth and development of this university. As we all know, universities are learning centers. Many times we expect universities to come with a lot of research production that will lead to a lot of innovative work that can be linked to the activity in the economy. Because when universities do generate knowledge, and that knowledge is translated to some incubation of some project, which in turn is translated to some economic activity, then the value of the university begins to be more apparent to all rank and file. And therefore it's important that those of us who will be here will be doing our best to support that process, whatever constraints we may be facing, so that the university may continue to be productive in that sense. And therefore, I pledge that I will be able to do my best to be able to lead this process. When we were introducing ourselves, we didn't go in detail as to what we do. For those who came late, my name is Geoffrey Opio Okello. Together with my wife, we run two schools, secondary school and primary school. The secondary school is called Dara High School. Some of you may have heard. I'm based in Ngeta. It's 38 years. Ending up with also the deputy governor. I have been president of the, as I mentioned earlier, of